Hey guys, Eric here with Project DIY. You have a buddy heater. You're wanting to hook it to a more permanent heat solution like a big propane tank, like a 5-pounder. You got a long hose you want to do that with, but sometimes it may not work. With certain hoses, it doesn't work. You have to have a special piece. I'm going to show you what that is. This right here is a fuel filter. This here allows you to keep the contaminants out to getting to your buddy heater. I'm going to show you the models that you need this for, and then other ones have a regulator built onto the hose that you don't have to worry about. So let's get into this and let's see how we put this on here so that way we can still use our buddy heater and keep our space warm that we're wanting to. Hey guys, Eric here with Project DIY. If you would subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, hit that notification bell, share the videos, like the videos. Let's get into this now and see what we're talking about. All right, down here on the buddy heater now, here's your regulator built in, okay? So you can put that, there's your regulator, and here's your filter right here. This piece here is gonna screw on to your, just like that there. Okay, we'll thread that on in a minute, and then this end here has threads on it. It will thread onto that right there. So let's go ahead and put this piece here on. It just kind of goes on there. Just thread it on. We're gonna tighten it. And this piece here, get the camera out of the way here. We're just gonna thread this on here like so. Grab our handy dandy channel locks, okay? And this piece here, they give you this piece here so you can hand tighten it. You don't have to carry a tool with you or anything like that. Slides over the nut. Pop this on here. All right, that has us hooked up, ready to go. Let's turn the propane on here and let's hit our pilot light. There it goes. We are lit. I know you can't see it very good. You can probably see a little bit of blue flame in there, but we're lit. So that's all there is to it. But if you're having issues with your buddy heater not working, that's going to be your problem. You're going to need that piece right there, that filter. Okay, your regulator's here. It's on the buddy heater. Right there's your regulator. This is your filter. So, guys, if you have troubles with it, do that. It will fix it. So it's a good thing to put on there. If your hose is not rated that you don't need that, you can buy one of these. They're about $15–20, and you can keep your buddy heater running good just like this here. Also, guys, hey, if you haven't watched the video on how to fix your pilot light there, if it will not light and stay lit, check out my other video I have with these buddy heaters. There's a lot of people that have issues with that. A lot of people on there, if you read the comments, they have that fixed their problem. My brother-in-law even said he had the same thing. It fixed his. These here this year. I went and checked them just to make sure one lit, one wasn't so well. I did that exact same trick for it, and it worked. I mean, fired up instantaneously. So hey, if you haven't watched that video, check it out. It is a very big help if you're having issues with it igniting or staying ignited. That there a lot of times will solve your problem, and it's so much easier than tearing the whole thing apart. Guys, as always, appreciate you watching. Subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, share the videos, and remember, as always, why hire a guy when you can DIY? Thanks for watching.